This page has two questions on it, both worth 3 marks. You've got question 4, which is worth 3 marks, question 5, which is worth 3 marks. I will do an answer to question 4 and then give you a chance to read question 5, and then we'll do an answer to question 5, but they'll carry on together. Okay, so question 4. Immediately I see it's got a number sequence and it gives me the first 4 terms. I've got 3, 7, 11, 15. Now with a number sequence like that, I always want to know what they go up in. So it's got 3, 7, 11, 15. That is going up by 4, by 4, by 4. So write down the next number in the sequence. You wouldn't need to write this, but I'm just putting it 15 plus 4 is 19. So the next number in the sequence is 19, which I'd write over there. That's worth 1 mark. If you get it right, you get 1 mark. You get it wrong, you don't get anything. Okay, part B, the 50th term of the sequence is 199. Write down the 51st. Well, that's very similar to what I've just done there. So I know my 50th term is 199. I know that the difference between each term is plus 4. So if that's my 50th, then this must be my 51st. 199 plus 4 is 203. So I've got 203. Again, 1 mark, a little bit more work. Now this one, the number 372 is not a term of this sequence. Explain why. You can make this a bit more complicated, but I think the obvious thing is, if you look at 372, 372 is even. If I go back up here, I've got an odd number, an odd number, an odd number. The next one's 19, which is an odd number. And if you think about it, if I add 4 on to an odd number, I'm always going to get an odd number. So your reason is 372 is an even number. The terms of the sequence are odd. So it is not in the sequence. Okay. Question 5. Farah recorded the minimum temperatures in degrees C on each of 7 days in January. I don't really mind who recorded them. It's about the information. Here are her results. So you've got the days of the week across the top. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And the temperature in degrees C, which fits in with the question. -2, -1, 2, 0, -3, 4 and 7. Work out the difference between the temperatures on Tuesday and on Wednesday. So I'm looking at Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, so I'm looking at Tuesday and Wednesday. So the difference is going from -1 to 2. So if I use a number line, it's gone up 1 to get to 0. It's gone up 2 to get to 2. So my difference is just 3. You might have been able to work that out without a number line, but I just put it in there anyway. The next bit, you have to do a little bit of thinking. Work out the mean. So the mean is add them all up and divide by the total number. Okay, so in this case, if I add them up, I'm going to start here. I'm going to start with the positive ones. So I've got 7 plus 4, which is 11, plus 0 plus 2. And then I'm going to take away 3, take away 1, take away 2. And overall there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 piece of information. So if I add all that up, 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 0 is 11, plus 2 is 13. Take away 3 is 10, take away another 1 is 9, take away 2 is 7. So I actually end up with 7 divided by 7, and 7 divided by 7 is 1. You've got 2 marks for this. According to the mark scheme, the 2 marks are divided up by evidence of adding all the numbers together, which you've done there, and also evidence of dividing by 7. So you'd expect to get a mark for what I've outlined in red or this bit here. Now I would suggest you add them up and show you've added them. The final mark is given for actually just writing the answer down, and it is only, the mark is only correct answer only.